everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into everything you need to make your home more beautiful and functional. Today we're exploring a topic that often gets overlooked: curtain accessories. The right accessories can elevate your curtains from basic to breathtaking. Let's jump right in. 1. Curtain hooks. Simple, functional, and versatile. Curtain hooks are incredibly versatile and easy to use. For a clean and modern look, go for clip rings that can slide effortlessly along the rod. If you want more classic and structured pleats, opt for pleat hooks. Curtain hooks are a simple way to hang your curtains while adding a touch of elegance to your window treatment. 2. Curtain rails. Smooth, seamless, and perfect for large windows. Curtain rails work with gliders that allow your curtains to move effortlessly across the rail. They are perfect for modern and minimalist homes, where functionality meets style. Plus, they can handle heavier curtains better than some rods. So, if you want a sleek, clutter-free look, curtain rails are worth considering. 3. Curtain tiebacks. Style and function combined. Moving on to curtain tiebacks, these are not just practical but also a great way to add a decorative element to your curtains. Tiebacks help keep your curtains pulled back during the day, allowing more natural light to flow in. Curtain tiebacks are a fantastic way to add texture and color, making your curtains a true statement piece. 4. Curtain rods. The foundation of your curtain setup. Last but not least, curtain rods. These are the foundation of any curtain setup and come in a variety of styles and materials. The right curtain rod not only supports your curtains but also complements your room's decor. Whether you go for a sleek, minimalist rod or something more ornate and eye-catching, the curtain rod sets the tone for the entire window treatment. So there you have it, the top 4 curtain accessories that can make a huge difference in your home decor: curtain hooks, curtain rails, curtain tiebacks, and curtain rods. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.